So guys, I'm gonna show you how to create your own token on soltool.io, our platform. It's the cheapest in the market. So I'm gonna get in on my computer and show you everything. But just before we do, I wanna let you know that at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you as well how to create it on your phone. Okay guys, so we're in my computer and I'm gonna show you step by step how to create the token. It's actually super simple. The only thing you need to have is a Phantom wallet. So you can go to phantom.com and basically choose which browser you prefer. So let's say I prefer Chrome, so I would use for Chrome, but I think it's the best option anyway to use the Chrome. But they do have for the Brave, Edge, and Firefox. But anyway, we go with Chrome, so I already have it, and you can see it here. So I just created a demo wallet for this show, and so yeah, you as well don't miss out on our token because it's gonna grow. You can watch my roadmap right here. I talk about the whole thing, what we're gonna create, what we're doing. So it's maybe for some of you are interesting. But anyway, let's start with the token creation. So now we need to we can connect wallet at the beginning or at the end, but let's connect just so we don't have to refresh the page. So first thing you do is you go into connect wallet and then you just click connect. Simple as that. Then it's just disconnect wallet. So we start with token name. So we're gonna create a demo for the name, demo for the symbol. Now for the name, if you're creating a meme token, you should consider something that is trending right now today, specifically today. So, and then the token symbol should be short as well. Now for the ones that want to enter our contest, where you can, we're gonna have only 45 spots where you can get in. So currently, so if you want to get in, you just change your supply. Let's say if you have 1 billion, as you can see here, and it's preset that most people go with 1 billion. That's pretty normal, that's the standards basically. So then you go and make 1, or you could just go with the little buttons here and make it 1. So when you enter 1, you will enter the contest for the competition that we have upcoming. So we have 45 entries, so it means after 45 entries we're gonna do a live draw and give away 1 Solana to somebody, and we will do it live with the Google random generator. So you will see it's gonna be proper giveaway. So yeah, so this specific token right now that I'm creating, it's gonna be voided, so this entry doesn't matter, so don't worry about that. So for the image, you should have let's say recent. So we have cheapest token creation image. So I have this one that's related to us anyway, but I'm not gonna launch this fully token, so it doesn't really matter for me what image. But if you are creating something interesting, make sure that the image aligns with your token name and the symbol and so on. For the description, you should put something interesting related to your token, so it's not just nothing, emptiness. So for me, I don't. This is as a demo, so my first token. So it doesn't matter for me. The website, we're gonna take Soltool, just for the moment, because we don't. This is just a demo, as I say. So then we go for the X account. Where is the X account? Where we're gonna get the X account? I have it here. So let's copy X account, copy link address. So I have it here. Then for the Telegram, I have it here as well. So that's good for me, easy peasy. Copy link address, there you go. Boom, and we have it. Now for revoke update, revoke freeze, and revoke mint, leave them on, because if you do turn them off, you will have a problem showing up on the Mevex and other platforms where people trade. It will come up as either honeypot, or it will come up as a fraudulent token. So I suggest to keep it on. If you're creating a utility project, then the revoke mint, for example, all these things you can work with, but then you have to have a huge community to trust you basically for having these off. So yeah, so keep it on, keep them on. And if you want to know more about them, you can read in our docs. Read docs. You can find for each individual all information, what they do, what it means, basically. Super simple. Anyway, so for now, we're gonna go and create a token. I just actually did create one just recently, but the video wasn't good. Something was off with the recording, so I have to do it again. But by the way, just before we go, I want to explain to you, the lowest service fee on the entire network is 0.068 Sol. So that's super cheap, guys. Okay, that's the cheapest in the market. You won't find anyone creating these cheaper. If you do, show me, but I highly doubt. Either it's gonna be a scam or something like that. Let's go create a token. You will get a pop-up saying to confirm 0.068 Sol, and let's confirm. and there we have it. So we have token created. There you go, you can see it. So if you click on this, you will go to SolScan. If you copy it with a little button here, you could just copy the token address. So we can go to SolScan. I can show you that it created it. At the beginning, till it settles down, it will show as NFT, but a few minutes later it will come up as a token already. And we can go into our Mavex account. This one was the previous one I created, but the video cut off, so let's do a new one. And yeah, so now you can see the images here. If we go into Phantom, usually the image doesn't show up for some reason, but if it's showing up on the exchanges, it means the image has uploaded and everything is successful. As you can see here, the image did upload. For some reason, Phantom sometimes plays around, and I don't know why. But regardless, usually Phantom shows up later than after like an hour, it will show up the image. So yeah, so we have all the socials that we added. As you can see, the website, Telegram, X account, and now you can see LP tokens burned. So this part is just token creation. There is another part of adding liquidity to the pool, creating your own pool, so the token can be tradable. So now we have to go in. If you want to create a tradable token, you're not entering just for the contest, to win 1 Solana. You can go and create actually the pool. And I'll show you, I'll explain. I will not create a pool because people will start trading this token if I will do it, because people will watch the video and so on. So yeah, so we connect to Radium, so radium.io, and you will go into liquidity. The button at the top will be liquidity. Then you will go into create your pool. You can either create any of these pools regarding, you need to read about them, which one is more preferable for yourself. But for me, the most standard one, the most easiest one, and that used to be the most cheapest one, was standard AMM pool. So we go and create one, let's say. So currently we have in the wallet, what we have, 1 billion and 1 token, as I remember. So now we need to copy our address. I think I had it already copied, but let's go and copy again. So we go into, we want to create now the pool. So you click on where it says Ray, and that's Radium token, and then we look for our token. So now we found it. Now we're gonna name it the same as it was when we created it. So what was it? Demo, I think. Demo. So symbol names as you created the token. So create it same way. Add user token, and then we just select it. If you click here, you will remove it and you will have to do it again. You have to click here, just like a little bit more in the right side, and you can see our token is here, and we have currently 1 billion and 1. So for the ones that are entering the contest, make sure to add that little 1 so you enter the contest. Now you have to mix it with the Solana. So the pool is created, you have to throw some money into the pool so the token can be tradable. So what you do is simply, like, let's say you can start, if you're launching first time, you can start with 1 Solana, so you're adding 1 Solana and you're mixing with, let's say, as an owner, I think you should always keep at least 20%. If it succeeds, then you need to sell some to create, like, run some ads, to have some money for that, so you can sell off. As a legit developer, if you're not a scammer, you always should hold, well, I say depends on the project, but for the memes, I think 20% is fine. So I would add like 800 million of my own tokens and keep 20% in my wallet, and then I will mix it all this with 1 Solana. So in the pool will be 1 Solana, and then you would initialize liquidity pool. After you initialize liquidity pool, you will get, I want to show you, it says right here in Mavex, LP burned. This means if your liquidity is locked or not, because you can do lock or not. So some people, what they do is they create the tokens, they launch the pool, and afterwards they go into the settings and you can withdraw liquidity fully. I mean, like, including other people's funds. So it means if somebody was trading your token and you didn't lock the liquidity, usually at the beginning it's the bots, not the standard people, so it's the bots. So if you do remove liquidity, you remove yours, like 1 Solana plus whatever the people put inside. But I do not support that, because that's like almost like a rug pull, and that's not something we like to see. So yeah, but anyway, when you do that, when you create a liquidity pool, you will get these weird tokens into your wallet. You will see there will be some weird tokens, and it will be like random numbers or something like that. So that is like almost as a key to your liquidity pool, meaning that with those LP tokens you can remove the liquidity. If you go into settings in Radium, you can withdraw the liquidity pool with those LP tokens. Some people keep it. If the token didn't launch well and nobody traded, you will go and remove your liquidity and then restart again. But if you want to get more traders in, you will go to Soul Incinerator. I think it's like Soul Incinerator. There you go. There you go. So you'll go here, you will connect your wallet. Let's connect it, because I don't have any LP tokens right now because we didn't launch a pool. But you would go into, you see there's Lit and Pro version at the bottom. If you go into LP, and you will be able to burn the tokens, similar to this. Like I could burn right now, you know, my tokens, but I'm not doing that right now. So yeah, so you can burn, and then it will show on Mevex and everywhere that your liquidity has been locked, LP burned. So it means it will show 100%, and you know, it will be showing that you burned and you locked, and you cannot withdraw anymore from Radium your own money. So the outcome of the token now, it's in everyone's hand, you know, so it gives the trust. So yeah, so simple as that. For the ones maybe that interested just to enter our contest, you can just create your token for fun and have it, and maybe one day you want to launch it and you can launch it, you know, but you don't have to create a pool, you know, with Radium and all that to enter our contest. Our idea is that we have the cheapest token creation, and that's that. So yeah, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show as well how to create the token on the phone. So people don't know how to create it usually because it doesn't connect the wallet and stuff like that. So I'm gonna record the screen of my phone and explain there as well if you want to do it through there. Okay, let's get into my phone right now. So you have to have Phantom wallet, and you know, you can log into it, and basically you can go, if you can see on the right side there's a little search thing. So here we can go in and write, let's say soul2.io, our website. So we go into our website, let it load. Okay, so my video is playing, you can turn it off if it's bothering you. And then we will do is basically connect the wallet, and you will see it will allow you to connect wallet, and then you can just enter your token name, symbol, as usual, everything as normal, you know, as I showed on the desktop, and then you just click create token and it will appear on your wallet. So that's how simple it is. It will not work directly through the browser, so just letting you know. Okay guys, so you can see how easy it is to create. So just follow the steps and you will be able to create a token. So either are you just getting into our contest, you know, to win 1 soul, or you want to launch actually a token on Radium. So try it out. We are the cheapest, so let's not forget that part. Okay guys, peace.